Hey everyone, it's Justin again. Have you ever seen something unfair happen? Maybe someone getting teased or left out and you weren't sure what to do? Sometimes when no one steps in, problems just keep going. Kind of like this. One mean comment leads to another and another. Problem grows and no one stops it. But what if just one person decides to step in? Watch what happens when an upstander breaks the chain. That hand stopping the domino effect, that's you. One person can make all the difference. Today, we're going to learn how to be that person, the one who stops the chain and stands up for others. Let's get into it. First, we need to define two important words: bystander and upstander. A bystander is someone who sees something wrong but doesn't do anything. Maybe they're scared, don't know what to say, or even laugh along because they feel uncomfortable. But by staying silent, they allow the problem to continue. Now that you know what a bystander is, what do you think an upstander is? An upstander is someone who chooses to act or stand up for someone. They might say something, help out, or tell an adult. Even small actions can make a big difference. We're going to hop right into today's middle school memory for this one.
Ooh, text from Jamie. Ugh, Taylor is so annoying. She always thinks she knows everything. Oh. Nobody's responding. Is anybody going to say anything?
Okay, let's pause here for a second. What's happening in this chat? Let's keep watching.
Jeez, Jaden just sent the looking eyes emoji. Is he seriously just going to sit there and watch? Hey, let's not talk about people who aren't here to defend themselves. It's not cool. Jamie said, chill, it's just a joke. Aren't jokes supposed to be funny? Would you want someone saying that about you? That's not cool.
In this memory, who do you think is the bystander? Who's the upstander? Take a moment to think about it. But wait, there's more.
Oh, Jaden responded, yeah, let's just move on. What's everyone doing this weekend? Hold up. We're just gonna ignore that? That was kinda messed up.
We aren't actually going to ignore that. Our next lesson will continue right from this point. But for now, let's take another look at the text thread. Who was the upstander in this situation? What did they do that changed the conversation? And what about the bystander? What role did they play? Did they make the problem worse or just let it happen? Think about this. If you were in this chat, what would you do? Go ahead and answer these questions in your guided notes. If you said that anyone just looking at their phone was a bystander, you're right. Even Jaden, who only responded with the big eye emoji, is still a bystander. And what about the upstander? You're right, I was the upstander. When I said, hey, let's not talk about people who aren't here to defend themselves, it's not cool, I set a clear boundary, discouraged gossip, and encouraged respect in the conversation. When someone speaks up, the conversation shifts. The person being talked about knows they have a friend, and the one who made the comment, they realize it's not okay. But what if I hadn't spoken up first? What if everyone had just stayed silent? When no one steps in, the person being talked about feels isolated. The one making the hurtful comments thinks their words are okay. And the bystanders? They might feel uncomfortable, but by doing nothing, they allow the problem to continue. But when someone speaks up, things can change. The person being targeted feels supported, and the one making hurtful comments might realize they're in the wrong. Even bystanders might feel empowered to take action next time. Speaking up isn't about starting an argument, it's about stopping harm and making a difference. So the next time you see something unfair, ask yourself, what kind of impact do I want to have? Doing nothing doesn't mean you're not involved, it just means things stay the same. But taking action, even a small step can change everything. When you witness unfair treatment, how will you respond? Will you be a bystander or an upstander? In our next lesson, we'll explore different ways to take action. Being an upstander isn't just about speaking up in the moment, it's about finding the right way to support others. As we travel back, we learn forward. Every past lesson builds a brighter future. See you next time.
Hey, hey.